on me, it makes them so damn sad. I might run off with the money. Everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome. As you saw in the title, or as you saw in my picture thumbnail, I'm doing another makeup tutorial. It's this look here, and it's such a summer look, but yeah, I rock my look any season. I don't even care, so bear with me, like I don't care, like so this is the look that I came up with, and I really like the yellow eye look. I like yellow. Like my hoodie, it says Harlem 1991. This hoodie is from H&M, but I have it now for like 1 year, so it won't be in stores anymore. Yeah, but this is the look. If you like my makeup looks, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down there somewhere, or here, or I don't know even. Just subscribe to my channel, and yeah, have fun with this look. See you in my next one. Peace. So you guys, here we go. I'm using this Colourpop concealer. It's an old one. It's really old. I can't even remember the name. This is going to be my base for my eyes, as you can see, like this. Yes, that's the base. Now I'm using the On the Rocks palette by W7. Yes, this is a knockoff of Anastasia, one of the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, and the first color I'm using is this brown color. You know guys, I did a review on this palette, and it costs around, I think maybe $10 or 10 euros. I can't even remember, but yeah, it's so good, even a bit better than the original one, you know. So get yourself one of these palettes, you know, it's so nice. So as you could see, now I took a wine red color, and I'm blending this also out, and I'm not concentrating on some spot, I'm just blending it out. And now I'm concentrating on the outer V of my eye, like this. You see that? I'm creating a V shape, but there's already a V shape, so I'm just putting on some color on it, on the V shape that's already there. So now, next thing, the Makeup Revolution concealer. It's a white base, yeah, nobody uses this one as a concealer, so I'm just cutting the eyes. I'm doing a cut crease, as you can see guys, like this. I got used to it, so I can do it really quickly. So the next thing is the Zulu palette by Juvias Place. Juvias Place, one of the best companies, makeup companies ever. I love their shades, colors, everything. So as you could see, I took the yellow one, the yellow color, and I'm packing it on my lid. I'm pressing it into the concealer, as you could see. Now I'm using the eyeliner, my favorite eyeliner of all times, you know, of all times. I'm using this eyeliner for around maybe 15 years. This is the best eyeliner ever. Now I'm doing a eyeline. I'm lining my eyes, as you could see, and it's a little bit, this one is some more dramatic eyeliner, not eyeliner, the line, you guys, you can see it. So now I use some mascara. I don't always do this step, but sometimes I do it. So I use some mascara. You see there, I'm looking for some spots where I have some leftover from the color. Now my face looks like shit. Let's do something about it. First thing first is my Pixi Glow Tonic. You see, water. And you see the glow that comes from this stuff. I love this stuff. Mine is already like finished now, but I will get me some more because this stuff is so nice. Yeah, it cleans my face and it's so nice. It gives my face a glow. Now I'm using this gel. pentamon gel, I don't know how to say it, gel. So a little bit of that. The gel is okay. I don't really like the gel, but yeah, I don't really like the gel. It's okay, the gel. It's okay, you can use it, you can use it. It's a good gel, and it's a little bit sticky, so your makeup will stick on your face like nothing. So get yourself one of this also. And next thing is the Fresh&Fit Fit. I meant to say fit. Oh, sorry guys. So yeah, this is the primer I'm using. I took a little bit too much, but do you see this? It's also giving illuminated finish, but it's not really a good primer. For this purpose, it's good to give you this illuminated thing, but the primer itself is not the best, but it's a cheap one. So anyways, so as you could see, I used the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation by NYX, and yeah, I'm blending in the foundation with a brush. Now my favorite Tarte concealer. I don't always use this concealer because it's expensive, and I don't wanna I don't want it to get empty too quick, so that's why. Blending it in the concealer with a sponge like this. It's a normal step. Always doing this step. It's always the same step. So blending it in, blend. Now I'm using the Revolution Makeup foundation stick in the color F18. Sorry guys, F18, because it's a little bit too dark for me, so that's why I'm using it to contour my face like this, and blending it in the contour with my brush. This is just a normal brush. You don't have even to know the number or name or anyway, it's just a normal brush. Just use your normal blending brush and do the blend like this. Blend. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauty setting powder in Nutmug, and yeah, it's a nice one, but I like the Huda Beauty a little bit more than this one. Now I'm using this is a rouge, or yeah, a rouge from MAC, color Film Noir, and I'm using it to set the contour. And I'm always using this one because I like the color, this reddish color. I like it on my skin, and for blending I like it, so that's why I'm using this one. And yeah, for the past 2 years I've been using this one for my contours, for setting the contour and doing the contour. So I'm got back into the setting powder from Fenty, and now I'm like creating a V shape with it. And after this step, I always remove the excess powder. It doesn't even stay on for too long. I go back into my brush and then just, yeah, take off this excess powder like this. Yes, girl. And on this step, I'm blending also the whole face into each other. I don't know. Now I took a blue eye Cacao. This blue one, I think it's from Essence, but I can't remember because the logo and everything is gone, because I had it for over 5 years or something. So don't mind, just get a blue one, anyone you like. So I went back into my mascara. This one is from Cosmetics. It's one of the best mascaras I ever used, guys. Really, trust me, one of the best. Yes. So now I'm using this blush. It's also from MAC. I think it's called Breezy. No, it's not Breezy. It's Fever. I think it's called Fever, but I will link the whole products down below, so don't worry. I think it's Fever, and yeah. Now I'm using the Artist Couture Labronze highlighter, one of my favorite highlighter brands ever. I love their highlighters. I love them, like, and I always use too much, but who cares? Like, I don't. So what? I don't care. Like, you see that? It's highlighting my life. My life is highlighted with this highlighter, like this. So I think, oh, now I'm using the Cosmetic. This is a lipstick. I think it's in the color 0, but I can't remember. Like I told you, I will leave the links down below, all the names, the products down below. Now, yeah, I'm already finished. Slay all day in the scent mango, and thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and to give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, see you in my next one. Bye.